Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, today I wish to talk about the sponge gourd. Its different names in Hindi are Tori, Turai or Gilki. All of you know these are the four pots in which I had been growing ladyfinger and tomato. Now the tomato plants in these pots had become totally dry. So I plucked those out and some space was created here. So I sowed the seeds of sponge gourd here. Can you see these small sticks? I press these here when I sowed the seeds to make it sure that I don't dig the soil here by mistake. So this was an indication that I had sowed the seeds here. And friends, in just 20 to 25 days, the seeds have grown to such nice tiny plants. Do you want to know how did I get the seeds? One of my friends gave me this dried tori. She had dried this on her terrace last year and gave it to me. I took out the seeds from this and sowed some of these here, and the rest I kept in an airtight container for the times to come and to give it to my friends who might be interested in sowing these. Now these plants have become quite big and I'm sure they'll give the nice crop. I'll keep only one plant in one pot so that it grows abundantly. The point to keep in mind is that if we grow more than one plant in a pot, the plants are not able to get proper nutrition and they grow small tories. So I'll shift the extra ones in other pots or in the kitchen garden in the corner of my home. Before I sign off, I would like to tell that tomato plant in these pots have dried up, but the other plant has started bearing tomatoes. Though it's a small one only, I am sure it will produce a lot in future. And look at this pot of small gourd or kachri. I hope you remember I showed you this when I uploaded my video of vegetables I grew during lockdown period. Just see, so many small gourds have grown on this. I hope you're also feeling as good as I am feeling. Friends, the main purpose of my video was to share that I utilized the space that was created in place of tomato plants and to motivate you to do the same. Just look for any space which is available on your terrace for sowing seeds. Sometimes the idea just doesn't click, so I thought I should spark it. Monsoon has just begun in North India and this is the best time to sow the seeds. So just go, get some seeds, sow them and catch sight of the wonders of nature. That's all for today. If you have liked what I said and showed, please press the like button for me to have an idea that you liked it. I hope you have already subscribed to my channel. Bye for now. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.